All right, let's go.
Okay.
Easy starter.
Today's mission, make the atrocities of repair that I've done to fuel tank hold fuel look a little prettier. Got another order from 4 into 1. Gonna try and get it done this weekend. Deadline is coming up for the Moto Camping Adventure. The atrocities continue. Ain't nothing but a little Bondo. Marginal improvement from the wash, I'd say. Front of the case is cleaned up. A little bit of the chrome came back. Not gonna lie to you, the motorcycle atrocities have continued. The sins against two wheels. I often felt out of my element, but it seems good.